Now is available at McCarthycars, BMW X3 through xDrive 2-liter diesel, 62 plate 2012, metallic black. Car has front fog lights, front parking sensor, 18-inch alloy wheels. It's got privacy rear glass, got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got split folding rear seats. Full grey leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, child seat preparation. For electric window, electric mirror, front auto headlights. This car has satellite navigation. It's got telephone, Bluetooth connection, it's got Bluetooth audio. It's got CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, push button to start, auto start stop function, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning. It's got heated seats, 2 central cup holders. It's got automatic transmission. Comfort mode, Eco Pro mode, and Sport mode. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.